What we got here is a couple rednecks that don't go to college. We dropped out of college, so we working part time at, Kroger and Little Caesars. But we got a little wagon here, a little Red Ryder wagon. I got when I was about 5 years old. Got a little damage on the front end of it.
Still runs like a brand new one.
Got us a homemade lawn care. As you can see, made out of a vise. Got it clamped down there a little bit. And I'm driving the lawnmower here. Nice little lawnmower, And we're going to pull this boy around the yard with behind while he's in there in that wagon, son. Got his little hat on top of his little helmet. I don't want him to wreck. There we go, nice and slow. Give it a little gas. No, Said he don't want to take the hand. They about wrecked right at you, son. Right. We got it wide open. What a moron. He's about done. Let me pull him around the yard.